Welcome, family. Thank you for joining us in our kitchen. I'm making a sausage cornbread skillet casserole. I've got a pound of sausage browned cooking, and I've got a large onion cut up in there, and it's cooking in with that sausage, and I love the smell of onions cooking. I don't know if any of y'all do or not, but I absolutely love it. Okay, I got the sausage and the onions. Those are cooked. They're over there in the pan waiting. Got the oven preheated to 425. Eric got the 12-inch cast iron skillet. It's been greased some. Preheated that in the oven. So now I'm ready to add all the ingredients. We're gonna, let's see. I beat 2 eggs. Gonna pour those in there. Make sure you get all that in there. Now, my family does love this. I've made this several times.
This is good.
It is good. Okay, we're going to add 1.5 cups, 1.5 cups of self-rising cornmeal. You do not use the box Jiffy Mix for this at all. We have got a can of corn. This is 15.25 ounces. Do not drain it. You want to leave all that juice in there. I've got 1/4 of a cup of whole milk. I've got 1/4 of a cup of vegetable oil. Now, got my Danish whisk, and I'm going to mix all this together. This is so easy to make, and it tastes so good.
It does.
It's just a good combination. Make sure I've got all that cornmeal mixed from the bottom. Okay, I'm going to set this cheese aside for now. I'll talk about that in just a minute. We're going to pour about half of this in the skillet. Get that just all kind of evened out in there. I guess you could use a smaller skillet if you wanted to, but the 12-inch one works good for us, so that's okay. Now, I'm going to get that sausage. This is my pound of sausage all cooked, and you do drain it. And it's the sausage and onion. What you're going to want to do is just kind of scatter that around. Oh, bless you, Lucy. Little Lucy Lou over here. How this all bakes together, it is just wonderful.
Yes, it is.
Absolutely wonderful.
Simple to make.
Simple, easy. Make a quick dish for your family. This can be served breakfast, supper, or dinner.
Yeah.
Or breakfast, dinner, or supper, I should say. Make sure I get all those onions. Or try to get all of them that I can. There you go. Now, I'm just going to kind of take my little spatula here and push this around some. Hope y'all doing okay today. We might get some snow here tonight.
Yeah.
I don't know yet, but we could. It's gonna get down awful cold. So, okay. Now what we're gonna do is pour the 2 cups of cheese. Get that all sprinkled over here. This is shredded cheddar cheese. And 2 cups is plenty for this.
If any of y'all know me, you know I like my cheese. And the first time around, I thought, that's not going to be enough. But it is. It really is.
It's plenty.
I was surprised. So.
It is absolutely plenty of cheese for it. This is one of those dishes where you don't need a gob of cheese. Now I will say that once this other layer goes on, I guess if y'all wanted, you could add some more cheese on top. We're going to take the rest of our cornbread mixture. And we're going to get all of that out. And what'll happen, you don't have to worry about this coming all the way out to the edges. You can just kind of, because what's going to happen as this bakes, this is all going to bake in together.
Yeah,
so.
Kind of expands out.
Yes, it will. So. And again, this is our 12-inch cast iron skillet. It's a Lodge. Now, that's going to go in the oven. Let me make sure. And you're going to bake it for 30 to 40 minutes. Test the center of it at 40 and see how it is then. Well, no, actually, you should test it at 30 and see if the center's clean. And if not, then put it back in. Test it for 35. If it's still not done, then test it at 40 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, the sausage cornbread casserole baked for 30 minutes. We tested the center of it and it was done. This is the inside of it. Came out looking really good and smelling good. I've got Eric a plate fixed. Let him taste test this. Hopefully it won't be a repeat of the low-carb banana bread.
Oh, no. We know. I've had this. This is good.
Oh. Yes. This is so easy to make, y'all, and our whole family likes this, so that's a plus for us. I want to thank you for joining us in our kitchen today. We appreciate y'all being here. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Hope you have a blessed day. Remember, it'll be okay, and we love y'all.